Guys, hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing us how to give someone, maybe your team member, access to your Facebook page or to your Facebook account so they can post on the page. Or you have a social media manager, you want to give the person access to the page. I want to show you how to do that, how to give the person access without losing your page or losing your account. Now let's go. It's either you go to this you see this professional dashboard. This is the professional dashboard. This one right here, this is the professional dashboard. Once you go to the professional dashboard, so once you go to professional dashboard, you go to settings. You see your settings right here. What we are looking for now is page access. We have to find what page access. Now you come here, you go to where page setup. Page setup, see it right here, page setup. You click on page setup, and yeah, voila, it's here. You see it here, page access. Invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. So once you click on this, you can see you can give people either Facebook access or tax access. You choose which one you are giving them. When you give them tax access, let me show you. When you give them tax access, you see the only thing they have access to is what? Any action you see on this page may be visible to the person. So the person cannot switch between accounts, like just the way I switch from my personal account to this page. The person cannot do that, but the person can have tax access, which are what are the tools this person have access to? Meta Business Suite. The person have access to your Meta Business Suite. The person can run ads on your page and what have you. Now that is for tax access. Let's go for Facebook access. When you go to Facebook access, the person now for Facebook access, anybody with Facebook access, we have a shared experience, including your feed, your notification for this page. However, each admin will see ads that are personalized to them based on their activity across Meta products. So this thing now is based on what? Once someone have Facebook access, they can switch in between their profile and your page, so they can directly make posts on the page. But with tax access, the person can only make posts through the Meta Business Suite, which might be a lot of work on the person's end. So giving the person Facebook access, you just have to give the person access here. Click on next. You search the person's name. So now you see, now I'm not allowing full control. Allow this person to have full control. That means the person can remove me from the page. So I will not turn this on. If I turn this on, I'm automatically giving this person access to my page and now transferring the page ownership to the person. So I won't turn this on and still give the person access. The person can have details to everything, but the person cannot remove me from the page. But I can remove the person from the page. So that is the difference. And once you've done that, you click on give access, you put your Facebook password, voila, you are good to go. So yes, that is all for today. If you have any questions or if you encounter any issue, you can still let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I will attach my email and my WhatsApp line on the description below. If you encounter any issue, you can always send us an email or send us a message on WhatsApp.